AL-Jawad Plastic Factory. Established in 1992 in the first industrial city of Hassa, AL-Jawad Factory is a leading manufacturer of diverse bags and rolls used in packaging applications. In 1998, the factory expanded its operations by introducing a printing department and a department for laminating plastic and paper films. Subsequent investments further enhanced the production capacity of the film department, enabling the supply of high-quality multi-layer products up to 5 layers to both domestic and international markets. Today, the factory's annual production capacity exceeds 15,000 tons. Our extensive experience, coupled with our team's deep understanding of raw material chemistry and our unwavering adherence to global quality standards, empowers us to deliver products that cater to our customers' present and future requirements. Vision and mission. Our vision is to emerge as the ultimate solution and the pinnacle of quality in the packaging industry. By prioritizing innovation and excellence, we strive to provide products that bolster our customers' competitive edge. Industries we serve: bakery sector, food services sector, meat and poultry sector, medical and healthcare sector, other industrial and commercial sectors. Al-Jawad Plastic and Flexible Packaging Factory Company.